Total gain 332%. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're featuring a powerful and fully automated trading system called Perceptrader. Originally priced at $2,400, this AA is now available for just $29 exclusively on EA99. Pair 6, different pairs, chosen for consistent market movement and strong trading opportunities. Timeframe M5, optimized for accurate entries and smooth execution. To begin, a minimum balance of $500 is required. You'll get ready to use preset files, allowing for a fast and simple setup process. Now let's take a look at the EA's performance. It has delivered a solid total gain of 332%. While keeping the drawdown as low as 17%. The EA also maintains a strong 65% win rate, reflecting consistent trading accuracy. Next, let's open MetaTrader 4 and set up the EA. Inside the Inputs tab, you can customize the settings based on your trading style. The EA is now fully set up and ready to trade. For complete details and download, visit our website. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.